Hey everybody, Ultra Derek here. I'm gonna be writing a program today. It's been a while since I've written a program, so that's what we're gonna do. It's something I've been meaning to do for a while, and yeah, so I'm gonna be doing it. I might like reorganize some things. Yeah. Oh, Billy. Let me double check something here. Ah, no fishies. Why no fish? Connections. There we go. Success. You can now close this window. All right. Oh, me so tired. Miso soup. All right. Meow, 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 meow. Hello. Of course, I don't hear the Oblivion. I need to figure out which one's YouTube or Chrome. There it is. There it is. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. So this is my original chat scan. Why can't I move this down? Oh, it's right there. So, what's I got to do? What I got to do? So this is actually like a package. There's a program in the package. Let me go look at some stuff here. Go package. Mod, GitHub. So I think one of these is like the, where's the YouTube archive? I wonder if it's this. No. Oh, thanks for the follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dan U 99. Okay. One of these does something. So anyways, I think I was like going to start this. Heyo. Ohio. Let's go to GitHub. A 10x developer. Oh man, I'm not. I got my like I got my graduate degree in electrical computer engineering. I got my master's. I say graduate. Hey. But like, I want to print like something. I want to have something that will like print out chat. Damn, I'm smart. Yeah, I don't know if I'm smart. Maybe I just stuck with it. I wasn't smart enough to fucking go out and get a job immediately. That's what I need to do. I'm probably going to be forced to do that. Yeah, I like to work on robotics, and isn't there a plug-in for that already? That prints chat? I don't know. I just want to like, what I wanted to do is like, I could type in something like, sometimes when I have like solo when I'm clipping someone solo, when they're solo, you know, the chat comes up. I gotta freaking, what I gotta do is I gotta like print that frame. I usually just cut it from the frame, do an upscale to it, blah, 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 blah. And I guess I could like, but this is like going towards something else that I'm going to be working on too. This will kind of help towards it. But I want to just be able to just like print, just be able to type something in. It'll search for the chat that I'm looking for, or chats that are similar to it. And then I can like have it print like a PNG of that chat. Yeah, I'm gonna scrape the chat. I already got something that scrapes the chat already for my for me to find hopefully find stuff. It's not always like reliable. Ultra Derek, did you see the footage of the wind turbine that fell into the interstate? No. No. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I already have a thing that scrapes chat, but it doesn't really like search for anything. So I'm gonna have to like go in there and like have it look for words. So text matching and scraping isn't a good solution. Yeah. So it can kind of like, well, it's not like a web browser scraper. Like someone like, there's already a program that does that. So I'm able to get the JSONs already. So I got like, I shouldn't double click that. I should just throw it in here. So like I was just, I'm never gonna like clip that. I don't know. Maybe I'll just delete it. Let's see if I did like another Pippa one, like the bikes, which I think someone already grabbed that. So here it goes through them all. For screaming at her horse girl. What was that like when she was when she thought she was winning and got 6th place? Yeah, they have a ton of shit in here. So I already have one that counts like which emotes were used. Oh yeah, I like Go. I like Go a lot. I did my thesis on Go. Yeah, so I'm pretty comfortable with it. Plus, it's like made for this type of shit, you know? They already got included libraries. I'll kind of, I don't want to say like parse through it, but like you can already like fill in like structs with this and you don't have to really think about it. Structs, I mean JSON. Oh yeah, you fill in structs, the JSON. Hey, how's it going? So use more emotes, got it. I need to make more emotes. I need to make some emotes. I was gonna say kitty. Ultra kitty, no, I didn't think anything. Yeah, love the native lib is really good and love the concurrency method to go. Yeah. I did a lot of concurrency in mine. But there only seems to be like really, I mean, like, it's always like messages passing back and forth and stuff. I had it like running devices like GPUs and stuff. Yeah. Fun times. I gotta like eventually go in there and like kind of fix up the library a bit, but it's been like 5 years. So I kind of got packages in here already, but I'm gonna have to like fix this up. I don't know whether like, it kind of goes through. Okay, wait a second. That's the chat scan. All right. Is there anything Derek can't do? I can't fly yet. Yeah, I don't like Python. I've tried and I might have to learn it. Going to AI though. I might have to learn it. So this one, like, okay, let's see what this load names is. Emote names. I should just, this counts the emotes. You can do that. Oh, really? I don't know. Like, I was watching this one video. Oh shit, I don't think I saved it. But freaking what's his face? John Karamak. He was like, he kind of did what I did. It was like going in a deep dive into CUDA, like CUDANN and all that shit, Fortran. And he was like, now I just use like PyTorch, or whatever the fuck it is. Yeah. He's like, I gotta see what he uses. And be like, well, if it's fucking good enough for him to do. Because he's like a big old technical guy, right? And plus they got all the libraries and everything. I don't know. Carmack, not as much as Derek. No, that dude, the stuff that he did with VR, 3D, getting things using, like GPUs were being made because of his fucking games. I mean, 3D GPUs. Like, I wouldn't say like everything was heading towards 3D anyway, right? But it was kind of like, Quake though, right? That really got it off the ground. I could just be like, kind of like remembering his presentation. His most recent one, his presentation, oh, what was it? He actually had slides, contributions to my code or cash money. I always I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind. I think this is private though. I didn't want other people using it. He's me. Yeah. I mean, who wouldn't be? Yeah. I mean, like, what's up? I got like, there's like yeah. I mean, like bits can be used on my channel and all that shit. Bits and or, although I don't have like the TTS, text to sound, text to speech. I find TTS to be annoying, like super annoying. So I think I need to like message funcs overlapping, chat scan. If it's not spammed. I need to figure out how to fucking set it up at least. Yeah. Someday. What the fuck was I doing here? Like, I don't even know the last time I fucking updated this. This is me like setting up the text to speech server to an AI. TrueNAS apps, what the fuck? What's this Falcon? Oh, diarization. Everything that's diarization right now, like, blows. $17 commits. What the fuck is this? Get or get it? Then you need to build it? I'm too lazy to tell you how to do that. Oh. I ended up making this private. Okay. Sound values, total messages. I don't think it's in there. I think I needed it. This is the message counter. Okay, I think I have like, what the fuck is this shit? Is this all one function? Oh, this is the main. Oh, that's my main. Okay. So I create the feed. This structure's really bad. I don't think I can use this. I need to make this. I made this more like as a program than as a library. But I think I need to make it more like as a library. I don't know if I will. I have to re-remember this shit. Like I was checking here. Like it's been like 5 months ago. Yeah, when I last like looked at it, and that's like the last time I kind of programmed too. So I'm kind of rusty also. By any chance I have a 3D? Yeah, I got a couple 3D printers. That's why I spam. I forget it within days. I've actually used like, because I download the JSONs. If I'm watching something, I'm usually commenting on stuff I find interesting anyway, right? So then I just find where I commented. What is this? Okay. Pinned. Load names, emote names. All right. Create feed, emote names. Okay, get chat username. Oh. No, I mean like, I don't like look, that's not how I look for it. I went to buy a resin printer, but I'm not sure which is best. I've never done a resin. I've always been kind of afraid of those. I don't know why. They just seemed like, although they're like faster to print stuff, right? But they're, I don't know. I want to, if I get like another 3D printer, it'll be like one of those like cloud printing things. Where they take like plastic dust and then they like kind of melt it all together. That'll be the shit. Chat username. So this gets the image links. So this is kind of important. Like I want to like be true to the message as much as possible. I think I should start off with how I want it to look first, and then I will go from there. So I'm going to start like a new repository. Do I need to save it? I don't want to save this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a new one. Yeah, I couldn't tell you which one's good. That's how you do it. New repository. No template. Yeah, this will actually just be a program. So print chat. There we go. Chat printer. There we go. Go chat printer. This will print a chat message into PDF format, PNG format. Add readme. License. I don't know. MIT? Fuck. There we go. No one's gonna see it anyway. Ha! It's gonna be private. Which reminds me, I pay like a GitHub like monthly fee, but I think before you couldn't like have any like private code, and now since you can. All right, so do I have SSH set up for this? It's been a long time. All right, so let's go to Go package, and we'll call this chat printer. Wait a second, can I just do it in here? Like if I hit, yeah. Like git clone. What is it? Use a password protected SSH key. Isn't that what that is? Isn't your key the password protection? There we go. All right. Read me. Read this dick. All right. Let's open this up. Open folder. I should just make that all lowercase. Too late now. All right. So how do I do mods? Main.go. This will just be the program. So package main. So I saw other people like write programs. Let me try something. Wait a second. No. I don't know. This would be like, I don't know, images. We'll do like get messages or message loader or something like that. I just want to check this out. Okay, wait a second. Rename. .go. Oh, thank you, Daryl. Package main. Funk. D's. Nuts. We'll have it return an int. Return 1. Okay. I was wondering why this wasn't working, and now I know why. You have to have a... If you're writing like a full program, like in one folder, the main, you have to have a main file folder. I thought like func main would be good enough. So it's kind of like doing like a workaround with that chat scanner. That's why like the whole thing's like a fucking mess. Okay. Let's do this. Return. I'll be like, okay, print f D's nuts. There you go. Hell yeah. What? Undefined D's nuts. Undefined D's nuts in your mouth. Wonder why I can't go to. I wonder why I can't use that. Because I was looking at this guy's one program, YouTube Archive. Shit. Ask Copilot. Go ask these nuts. Have these nuts resting on an open fire. Roasting. YouTube Archive. Okay, I was checking out this guy's program because I was like, is it? Because I was hoping he was gonna have like an API in it. I was wanting to make a program that like adding on to the API so I can run other things. Can I just search like all of? There he goes. Garbage. Has this guy been updating this shit? Holy shit, he's been going at it. I don't think I've updated this. So I was like looking at his files. It's all in one, all here, right? So like util Windows has package main, imports all that stuff. I wonder how it links these all. Go some, come on. Why couldn't it find that one? These nuts. I wonder. I bet it's because it's private. I bet that's the reason. Mango. These nuts are private. They were until they weren't. Why isn't that not printing? Undefined D's nuts. How does this guy have this program work? Because he has a main, right? And these are also like, all these other things are in main. I'm so fucking confused. How can it not find these nuts? So it doesn't have like util.go. It's not in here. What the heck? How does this work? Print help. Bro, your help. In it. Oh, I forgot about that in it. In it. CLI flags. Run. What is it? Func run. What? The way to do this probably allows us to defer functions to run. Where's the main function? There's the main. Does he have a func run? Oh, thanks for the follow. What the fuck? Print version. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so confused. This is what I get for fucking... Okay, where does this run at? Ow! Ayo! Where does he get this? Util.go. So, how does it know where this shit is? Util.go is right here. Why does mine not find it? Is like a flag you have to put at the top of these? No. I put package main for both of them. Package main. Package main. This knows it's in here. They're in the same package. Okay, let me see, like... Let's see if some sort of AI will help me out. My... In Go, my main... My main can't find a function in another file in the same folder. Will AI know this? They do to the package declarations of the file organizations and Go, all the files in the same directory must belong to the same package. Well, they're in the same package main. They are both in the same package called main. Help me, AI. The other file won't be... What? Is this true? I've done that same directory. Did I not save? I saved that. The AI wouldn't lie, never. This always like fucking go run main.go message. You fucking kidding me? You guys see that? Am I in the way? Hold on a second. I'm in the way a bit. Maybe I should shrink myself. I don't know. I think I can Control Plus. Ayo. So yes, that's how you have to put it in there. I thought the compiler would fucking already know how to do this. Or the linker. Does Go have a linker? See some VS Code. Yeah. Fucking like, I've been watching what's his face, Primogen. So D's nuts returned one. Yeah, one nut. I haven't been telling y'all. Actually, I, I have both, I think. Yeah, I've been watching Primogen. He's like, you think he was talking about like something about like AI and like, it's like, why do you think like as a corporation, Microsoft's giving out VS Code for free? I'm learning rigging. You're learning code. Yeah, I was wanting to learn rigging. I was thinking about like doing that. No, they're not. They're taking our data somehow. I don't know. It's probably pretty easy. I should probably push this. I would never abandon my beloved NeoVim. Yeah, I think I might like try to learn that. I might. I'm kind of wanting to get away from these fucking assholes. And you know, I have no problem with corporations and shit. Really. I really have no problem, but as long as they're not like pushing some sort of crazed out fucking ideology. That's funny that, man, that kind of sucks. I have to put these all fucking together. I thought it would link it. What ideology would that be? Ones I don't like. I don't have one that prints it. They're like, I'm like a big believer, like political issues and shit. They should just fucking keep their mouths shut. The only reason why they're doing it is because they're getting like, they're getting subsidized to do it. You know, it's like how all this shit kind of gone away, and like, it's really funny. Like the DNC, they're fucking like bankrupt. They're not getting donos any longer. Huh. I wonder why. They found where all the fucking money was being laundered to, or was being laundered from. I'm sure they're going to find another thing. They shut that shit down. Yeah, I heard there's this big AID. Yeah, I got flamed hard that the other day and didn't like. AIDS. Well, they don't care about that any longer. Now it's immigrants, which they've like. They're gonna say like immigrants are just illegal aliens, and yeah. I'll just say like you can call the illegal aliens immigrants, and I'm gonna say the legal immigrants. We'll just define legal immigrants as legal immigrants, and they could just define illegal immigrants as immigrants, I guess. People that play by the rule, immigrants. Yeah. So, okay, we got this figured out. So I guess like package main. I got package main done. There we go. These nuts. I really don't like this. Okay. Go build, and you gotta fucking throw this out. Should I just make like a CMake file or a make file? Oh shit. I might as well just put that in the fucking readme. I think they still exist. All right. So I gotta go like look at this other one. I'm slowly open new window. I really don't want a new window. It does the mods automatically, right? Like I just kind of like sort of figured out mods just for this program. And then I forgot how they work. Why does it have files in between here? They're not plugins. They just call them mods. They used to just be packages, and now they're like, I don't know why they do it. Like, so like you can have like different versions of it, and like let's say like you have like a version of a package, uses an older version, it'll grab that version. It versionizes everything, so it's just more compatible. Yeah. So I don't. Let me type in package. Oh wait, not package. Import. I forget if I have to like. I think it's this. Yeah, and then like github.com/ whatever the fuck this is. I'm gonna use like part of my shit. Meow, meow, meow. Let's go to mine. Okay, my profile. Civilization types, identity, and cohesion. With the dog. Yeah. YouTube archive. Bark. Voice changer. I should make like a big titty vtuber girl, and then it just be me. Just change my voice. Hi everybody, I'm big titty vtuber girl. I'm totally not a dude. Yay! Then I can just be like a total degenerate and watch as all the chicks. I mean, watch as all the dudes just subscribe. More than I am now. Yeah. I'm not that big of a degenerate. Am I? I can talk about Yuri. I'm totally down for Yuri. Yay! I've been watching this one, I reincarnated as an S-class behemoth or whatever it is. And oh my gosh, I was like cooking dinner and like, it's just like Tiggo biddies everywhere. Where's my chat scanner? There it is. There we go. Copy. Tiggo biddies galore. What the fuck is this like song? Meow. Just get rid of this. And I think I need to like. It's in chat scan. Message funks overlapping. Yeah, this is basically like a program. Oh, wait a second. What I need to get. Okay. Image drawer. Golang. Draw package. Image.draw. No, this. There's one that like. Oh gosh. What package is this? Color model, rectangle. No, this is not what I want. This is the main thing. Gore? Nah. Erotica. This is image. Paint going. What is this? What the fuck is this? Fill shape, color. There's one with like text and shit. I forget the name of it. 6-7 mango. Yeah, erotica. What are the best ones? Suggestive. What made me choose Go? Well, my thesis advisor was like really big into Go. She was really big into Go, and I like it a lot. I forget what this package is called. Painting packages and Golang. Event, paint. I don't know if this is it. Go paint. I don't think it was Draw 2D. I bet I wonder if I have it in here. Romanticized language. Let's see what I got. I might have to check my other account. GG. That's it. GG. So you can like draw lines, draw text. You can do all types of stuff with this. GG. Up to date. Well, I don't think I'm gonna like change this too much. So I guess I'll get it from Foggle, man. Hopefully it doesn't archive it. It's pretty old. Cool kids, yeah. Copy. Go get. Do I have to do a go get? Go mod, GG. Alternative. When did they start using mods? I don't know if this has mods. No, it doesn't. Oh, you got Silver Blade? Sweet. Fuck. Go get .u github.com. Foggleman GG. Foggleman. What if I already have this? So what do I do? Go get is not to build and install command. Go install with the, what? Huh. Well, let me do this then. Should I just like clone it and then add a mod to it? I already, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Here, new folder. Git clone. Yeah. Where's it at? There it is. Go to mine. Shit. All right, let's get this. You know, I didn't have a problem with this before. All right. New window. Go. Package. Open. Did I just type in go mod? Edit. Go mod tidy. Something in YouTube chat. Well, it's just supposed to be like, let's say when I'm clipping somebody, it's usually like, you know, a message is read by the YouTuber or VTuber. So I like to try to get the message coming up, but the whole like thing is a big ordeal. And if I could just like have a thing that searches all the freaking the files or all the JSON files. I got like, I mean, not JSON files, but like I usually get like a JSON file for it that I use to kind of like, I use for other means, other things. But I want to just be able to like use that JSON file, find out who did it, I want to grab the emotes. Is it YouTube's API? It's not YouTube's API, it's somebody else's. They probably use the YouTube's API in it. Yeah. But here, like, I can print the stuff, and I think I could put images up there too and all that shit. So that's why I was wanting to use the GG. Should I do like go mod init? Okay. Go mod init. What? Cannot determine. What? Go mod. Outside go path. How'd I do like a mod in here? I am so fucking lost. Super chats the comments now? No, they like read. They read all types of messages. But even then, let's say it is those, right? I still want to be able to print it. I don't know why this is like. Cannot determine module path for source directory. Do I have to put in my GitHub? This is why I hate. Makes it in the effect creating a new module rooted in the current directory. Okay. The Go mod file must not already exist. To fetch all the chats. I have the JSON of all the chats already. Just type it in. And it accepts one optional argument. I just don't understand what this is going on here. Cannot return module path source directory outside go path. Must be specified. I thought I'm in the fucking path. Echo go path. Echo. What the fuck? Okay. Example.com. Do I have to put it in GitHub? Okay. I guess I'll put it in GitHub. Let's close this shit. Bye-bye. I thought, like, I made a package here, like chat scan. And it finds all this shit just fine. Like, why is it now this? Oh, wait a second. I think I know what's going on. Maybe it's this. Maybe I gotta put this in there. Maybe. Let's see if I can fuck this up. Go became a lot harder at just setting up a fucking program. I'm not gonna lie. It's fucking annoying as fuck. It makes me want to just like snap my keyboard over my knee. All right. Go mod init. Init. Wait a second. Yeah. Paste. There we go. Go mod tidy. Hell yeah. Okay. So my mod should be in here, right? All right. So let's do this. So I'm going to commit these things. Adding mod file. Adding go mod. I don't need to put like that. Cancel. Let's just do this. Boom. Boom. Commit. I don't like pressing that button. I like going like git push. There we go. Find comment inside the JSON file. Sorry, I didn't get the end goal. I wanted to be able to print whatever it is. So I want to be able to, even if it has like fucking emote that's animated, I want that animated emote. Yeah. So just like how it is like on mine, like if I use like an emote, let's say in here, let me give an example. Like where's the butt slaps? Why aren't mine first? Oh, they are. Let's say like this one. Of course it doesn't show everything for some odd reason. Let me do like, take a couple of these out. There we go. Like that. I wanted to be able to like run that. And I don't know if I can be able to completely do it. It'll be interesting. Ooh, wait a second. I might have to add this, like to make it a GIF. So reprint in your stream, the streamer's comment. So I do clips, right? So like if the YouTuber says like reads the comment, like Kenya reads mine usually. Like, no, she doesn't usually read mine. But let's say like Kenya reads my comment. I don't like do any bits or anything like that. I print it up, it'll come up, and I wanted to have like my logo, right? Like it'll have like the user logo, maybe even badges, username, then put like the message down here. Inside the message also have like the emotes that they're running. So hopefully, I don't know, this might be too big. I might have to like fuck with I might have to write code in this other dude's code shit. Yeah. In this GG. Got the context. Go mod. All right, so yeah. So I don't know. Do I need to do like a go get? Import. Let's not do this. Let's do like another main. Let's quit this one. Let's not do this. All right. Save. Package. Wait a second. This should be like print. Yeah. Message or something. Print message. Yeah. Why does it have like chat? What? Chapter? Package. What? Package main. And then like func. No, import. So I push that, right? So it should be able to like grab it automatically. Import github.com/ultraderek/gg. All right, func like print print message, yeah. And right now, this will be like, okay, print message. This will just take like, right now we'll just take like the username. Oh, well, wait a second. Chat scanner. And let's just wait a second. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's just make sure this fucking works. Test print. How about that? There we go. It's been a while. GG dot. Oh, come on. Something. Control Shift Z. How do I like go get? Is it github.com Ultra Derek? Go install. Why can't I do my, okay. Go mod init. Go mod init. Go mod init. github.com Ultra Derek. What's this called again? What folder am I in? Oh, duh. All right, so try adding. All right, so import get hub Ultra Derek GG dot. There we go. I don't know. New context. What is this? Help me. Why is it bringing up this? I don't want Fogelman GG. I don't want this one. Yeah, I just want to see what the fuck this does. Could not import GitHub Ultra no prior module provides package. What? Go get. Wait a second. Go install? Okay, go get. There we go. Before it just fucking worked. Why is this all fucking locked up? Why are you locked up? Can I import? Go fuck yourself. What's going on? I quit. I quit. I'm just gonna do a screen capture from now on. You try to do shit the right way, and this is what happens. What's fucking happening? Control C. I don't know what's going on. Go mod tidy. Okay. Let's see what this go get does. Why is it doing this? Why is it like, what the fuck? Add a package. How to add a third-party package. And go. This must be done using the goat. Okay. I tried to do that. I even pushed that shit and everything. Do I need like a versions? This is why I always mod GitHub. Where's Ultra Derek? Going today at 11:15. Can I just remove these? I wonder if it's like fucking that up. GitHub. Why isn't there an Ultra Derek here? I thought I hit clear. Clear. Right? That's what it is, right? GG. I tidied it and everything. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I need to do that. Version 1. Got one. How did it? Go mod tidy. All right. Oh. There we go. So this will do like set sizes. All right. Maybe I need to do a go mod tidy on my other one. Creates a new image RGBA with a specified width and height that compares the context rendering onto that image. Okay, so it's a pointer. So like, I don't know, 1920, 1080. Okay, X dot. Let's do an example. There it is. All right, so let's go to mine. Let's see the examples. Yeah. I always go like Gophers meme. What are all the things? Text. All right, so meow meow. DC, these nuts. I guess we'll call this DC. Where is this at? What? All right, let's just do S. somehow I think like, there we go. A float 64. Huh. Interesting. How did this not fucking work for him? Did he even... Okay. Ah! Ah! I should just do Float 64S. There we go. There we go. Test print. All right. Oops. There we go. Why don't you control save? Did I need a value? Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Undefined test print. It's right here. Don't you start this with me, shit. Don't you start with me. Okay. Go run. I wonder if the library, that library, I don't know where the fonts are. So. Yeah. I bet this is the, yeah, I couldn't find this. Okay, where are the fonts? How do I find my fonts in Ubuntu? Uh, 24.04. Ubuntu. 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 User share fonts. Is it seriously in there? Okay. New window. It's a dot local, right? What? Dot fonts. I don't see it here. Local share fonts. Okay, local. A, B, C, D, no fonts. Okay. User share fonts. SH. Share. User. Share. Fonts. Fonts. A, B, C, D, E. Fish. What the fuck is this? Fish. Fonts. the fucking fonts are. Library fonts, Arial. Where the fuck are they at? What the shit is this? Oh. Fonts. CMAP. What are these? So, oh, you heard the O. Oh, I'm trying to program type 1. Is this like, holy shit. I think I just need to grab all my fonts and throw them in somewhere. Copy these. LibreOffice. Ooh. Noto. What the fuck is all this shit? Let's see what the X11 fonts are. Throw them fonts. Like, what is this font? Okay, wait a second. Where do we find this font? Oh, Ubuntu Sans? What the fuck? Condensed bold. Fucking A. Fucking A. Make it huge. Why is this brown? White. This looks like shit. I usually use Deja Vu. Let's find out where Deja Vu is. Deja Vu. Where have I seen this font? Where have I seen this font before? Whoa, Deja Vu. Shit. Fonts. Ah. True type. Condensed bold. Let's grab this one. Properties. Oh, come on. Give me the file name too. I guess I'll just... Parent folder. I'm already in it. You don't have to... Here, let me hit this. Oh, you're going to open me up into the folder? Oh, thank you so much. I'm already in the folder, bitch. Anyways. Ariel, these nuts in your mouth. All right. I gotta stop with these nuts jokes. What is it? Rename. What I should do is just put this in like a local. I can't rename it. Fuck. I'm just gonna copy this and put it in here because I'm a dick. Ariele. New folder. Fonts. There we go. Wait a second. I think I can just do this. Can I just... Oh, I can't paste it? Ah. Come on. Yeah, move it. Am I just making my life harder here? Okay. Let's do this. Deja Vu Sans Bold TTF. I think this will work. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna throw it into the main folder. Oh yes, baby. These nuts, yeah. We did it. These nuts did it. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. This causes for a celebration. I need to have like, oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I know how to do, I know what to do. Shit. Hold on. The trash guys are on strike. Fucking A, yeah. I'm sorry. They're unionized? Union life. Strike, strike, strike. Where's my Discord? I need to have like a soundboard. I wanted. Oh, come on. It's starting to do that shit again. Am I gonna have to uninstall Discord again? Like, it's a blank screen now. I don't really have one. I wonder why it's a blank screen. I think it's trying to update, but it's just like, it's not working. Never mind. This isn't like the 90s where you can like, you can type in like, hey, soundboard. And then like 20 like different soundboard, you'll find like 20 different soundboards. Someone made, like, you give me an Arnold soundboard, and someone fucking like do a whole graphic and I have like Arnold Schwarzenegger with like 20 different sounds on it. I really need to like, you can kind of set one up like on Steam. Oh, wait a second. I wonder if someone had like, maybe on GitHub or something like that. Stream Deck soundboards. Like pre-made one. Personalized. Okay, what is it? 404, fuck you, bitch. Yeah. People call up others and be like, Arnold Schwarzenegger prank calls. There's a bomb in the building. Get out. Like some Chinese restaurant, like, fuck you. Fuck you. I'll kill your mother. Get down. No. Something like that. $50. You can like, you can download all these songs and shit, sounds, and just like kind of just set it up, because you can like each button. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Angry Cam. That's it. Ah! Sorry. There you go. So like I gotta like press a button here and be like, meow, 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 meow. I used to have like a purring one. The purring is gone. But it was like right here. Right now it gives me like an exclamation point. Can't find the file. Fuck you, find the file now. I don't even know. Yeah. I should put like purring in the background of all my clips. It's value added. I guess people are afraid that clippers are going to be thing of the past now. Alex. Just watched a Cha-Cha video. It was about the old Jack in the Box commercials. I don't really remember them. Yeah, we didn't have one until like 2008 or something like that. 2012, where I live. All right, enough program, break time. I need to see the details, but it reminds me when they got rid of Clipper channels to let the yeah, here's the thing though. Usually those Clipper channels had the vtuber name and all that shit. You use the vtuber name, all that stuff. So yeah. But yeah, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. You're saying, yo. You're aware of them? Yeah. Fucking, you know what's like the best? They're fried tacos. They're so good. Oh, actually, this is like... So I saw it on here. Oh, shit. Unoriginal content has already been ineligible for monetization for a long time. They only are improving ways to detect this type of content. What the fuck? Okay. Not exactly. To clarify, this is a minor update to our long-standing YPP policies that let us better identify when content is mass-produced or repetitive. This type of content has already been ineligible for monetization for years, and is content viewers often consider spam. Yeah, I'm not like spam. Yeah. Can y'all stop putting 50-second ads that you can't skip on every video? Sorry to hear. This is a bot, yo. I watch videos in more than one language, and this feature is very obnoxious. Yeah, you can just like not auto-translate it. What are you talking about? Let's see what else somebody else said. Cry. I hate this. This Dex, am I like fucking, am I following them? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the EP Tenma. I was like so scared about that video. Or that clip. I was scared about it. I'm not gonna lie. I took out like half the ads too. What the fuck? Nuh-uh. No way.
Besides, remember what I said. I'll wait however long it takes. I've been thinking you believed in me back then, Mizuhara.
I looked
so
over,
maybe it's my turn this time. 10 years or 20 years, I'll be waiting for you. Also, you know, I don't think it's possible for me, in my lifetime, to love anyone more
This guy had like the worst take yesterday. I about let the comment in there, but I was just like, everybody in there was just like, yeah, you're right, Chibi, blah, blah, blah. Actually, let me review his bad take.
Can you believe it that we are
I just think he wanted to make a video and bitch about Crunchyroll. Now,
the company has no plans.
All right, so Rent a Hoe. Okay, so this is Crunchyroll got exposed on why they ruined translations of anime like ReZero purposely. What is this? Like a fucking light novel? Fucking yeah, a light novel title. Anyways.
If Crunchyroll hasn't already blacklisted me from ever working with them again, this video is going to cause me.
Hey, I love you, Chibi. I think I follow you on X also, but I think this. I already kind of watched this a little bit, but I think this. Yeah, we'll get it going here.
To get blacklisted, and the reason for that is because Crunchyroll got caught lying. The CEO of Crunchyroll got caught lying, and you can already take a peek at the screen on what the issue is at hand. And let's talk about the lies. So,
how much printer inks do you have? What?
About 2 months ago, the CEO of Crunchyroll went on record in an interview.
People fucking still have printer ink? What the fuck? That's so like forever ago. Or do they still use it? Ugh.
And said that they wouldn't be using AI in anime production. Now, I know you're going to say, but Chibi, anime production is pretty different than voice acting and translations. Yes. However, if you go to the first passage of the article, this is what the CEO had to say. Crunchyroll said the company has no plans to use artificial intelligence in the creative side of anime production, including voice acting.
Okay, they have no plans. A digital printer. What are you talking about? I don't know. Don't they use powder? No, I don't have a... Ooh, you bring up a good point. I should invest in a like old-fashioned mechanical like press printer. You know, the one with the screw on it, screw them down, and I have to place all the fucking those like what's it called? You know, like a character for each. Yeah, like a metal piece for the characters. Okay, so this is back to the thing. So this is for the creative side, right?
So the creative side is a very vague term, and applying voice acting to that term, you can basically stretch that to translations.
Okay, it's translating. Oh, printing. Ah, I see what you're saying. Well, I don't know. Fuck, dude, I don't even know, like, I don't remember what I say like 2 seconds ago. How am I gonna know what the fucking title of my my stream is? So is translating an art, is that creative? Translating's creative? No. No, it's not. It's technical. It's logic. So everybody knew they were going to be using AI translators. Not in the creative process.
Subtitling, typesetting, you get the point. And when it reaches the Crunchyroll desk,
I use like auto translate all the time. I'm a translator, it takes a lot of creativity. Don't be doing this. Don't make me take back my fucking my hot take. localizing is harder than people think. Yeah, I'd say so. Okay, so I think using like a translation app, yeah, do that. But, and I've done this too. I'll be like, what the fuck is this translation saying? Like the AI. And so like, I'll try to like do my best. Like when I've done it for like Henya and shit, I just don't straight up use the, whatever the translator says, right? Like I will go in there and change it to make it seem better. To make it like run off smoother. Translation can be mechanical if the text technical and business-like.
Most likely the creative side is what they're talking about when it comes to anime production. Now, Crunchyroll has worked on production of some shows. Soul Leveling is a good recent example of that. But basically, 2 months ago, the CEO himself of Crunchyroll said they would not be using AI. Despite earlier comments back in literally 2024, and there's articles about it where the CEO says generated subtitles are definitely an area they're focused on. This is an article literally back at the beginning.
AI generated subtitles. Yeah, they've already said, what? I'm confused now.
Of 2024, way over a year ago. However, once again, there was that article update that came out 2 months ago that said that they apparently weren't. So what is...
So I think their definition of creativity is different than your definition of creativity. Now, I would say like the voice actors are creative. That's definitely for sure. And I think they need to get better voice actors for the American side, because I hate that it sounds like you're middle class and the low level guys got the boot. Yeah. I hate the voices of the English translated, like the English voice actors. They're just like awful. Like, why are they like trying to be like Saturday morning cartoon bullshit? You know what I'm saying?
Is it? What is the truth here?
Yeah. Why is it dubs are bad? Yeah, they typically are. At least try to like match the original sound of their voice, right? Of like the original sound. VA's also got booted. The localization business has been invading the corrupting individuals who are hopelessly devoted to woke ideology, hell-bent on speed running our species into, well, hell. Yeah.
That is the big question. Is Crunchyroll trying to play politics?
I think this is
Crunchyroll trying to cover their tracks? Is Crunchyroll trying to hide the fact that they are using AI? There's a lot of ways to look at this, but let's get into the heart of the matter, which is this series. So
now this is bad. ChatGPT said, I like English dubs, I like Japanese subs. Okay, and here's like one of my gripes about the translations. So like, I'm not that I'm hating AI, well, coming since 2018, Andrew Yang. Yeah, Andrew Yang, yep. Bro's pretty big. Or wait a second. Maybe I'm thinking, who's Andrew Yang? Hold on a second. I was thinking somebody else. I was thinking that Andrew, no. Oh, this guy. The guy that wants universal fucking... He wants that universal... Feel bad with voice casting directors. Yeah, ChatGPT said...
First off, this is a new anime that just started airing for this anime season. You can literally see the date that it was released, July 1st, literally today. Just came out. It's a brand new series, and I have yet to watch the show myself. I have skimmed through it, but I am not watching. I probably will watch it, but not through Crunchyroll, because the subtitles for the English subtitles is kind of scuffed as well. Even though it doesn't straight up say ChatGPT said, there is some scuffness about.
I hate it when they say like Oni-chan or Oni-san, and then or like they'll say like they won't say like brother, or just translate, like just put the Oni-chan out there, right? If there's not like a good like direct translation, just fucking put it in there as Oni-chan, right? Like it's what they've been doing in manga scandalizations forever now, right? Or if they say like, or they'll do like, yeah, they'll do like Oni-chan. The problem is not one school. Big brother. Yeah, but sometimes, okay. But when a girl is like flirting, right? Like in the manga or whatnot. Or like big sister, like, I mean, like, it just doesn't really match. Or they'll say like Sama. Everyone's experiencing fucking up more than half the time. I remember Oni-san. Oni-san. That was like, they said like brother, but that was like in like Full Metal Alchemist. But like, I'll hear like some Japanese words come up, but they'll be like, they'll say like, well, they'll say sensei, right? Just sensei, but they'll bring up like the dude's name instead. And it's like, just say teacher or whatever, or just write out sensei, right? Like, do more of a direct translation like that. Like, it throws me off. Which FMA? What's FMA? They're saying like sensei, like in like I'm the backwater like sword teacher, blah blah blah. It was on Amazon. They call them sensei all the time, but then like they'll say like, they'll like type in there like barrel or Garrel.
The subtitles for English, and so what?
Oh, also. Big Brother, because I distinctly remember them using Big Brother and Teacher. Are you talking to me? All right, so what was I going on about? Oh, I forget. Red holes deep. Imagine you're like cool with someone in Netflix or something and start a VA localization company. You own most of the worse than Hollywood, yeah. I am totally lost what you're going on about, Grateful Gamer.
This brings to question is the overall translation quality of
Discord. Do. Meow. Yeah, it doesn't know how to update. They come up with like stream. It's on? All right. It didn't seem like it was on. Stop making English dubs. All right. Maybe we can look at this next.
Of Crunchyroll. Now, let's be fair here. Crunchyroll's translations have been...
Oh, now I remember. The backwater... Country Bumpkin. So I guess like... Yeah, I hated this, but I guess it's like very faithful to the light novel, and the manga like added so much more to it. It's like, holy shit. They should just like model it not from the light novel, but from the manga. Because the manga is fucking badass. And I guess it sounds like the light novel kind of blows. Oppa, Oni-san trope is romance. American. Yeah, so this one here, it would just drive me nuts. It's already over. Everybody's bitching about it, like on Manga Dex.
And absolutely dog crap for a long time. As you all remember, I was heavily going after Crunchyroll's translation on ReZero, but just recently I was talking about Lord of the Mysteries' translation for Crunchyroll and how it felt off. It felt very bad. And so when I take a hard look at this, I'm just like, you know for a fact, if they got caught for this, they're using this for other shows. It's just they accidentally didn't remove Chat GPT.
They got rid of a ton of things on Manga Dex. Like a ton. I need to create like an archive of that shit.
Said, which is where they got caught lying. So let's get into this. Obviously, if you look at these subtitles, it's a different language. This is in German. You can go over here to the Crunchyroll side and you can change the subtitle languages and all that. And in different languages, like for instance, English, I didn't see ChatGPT whatsoever. Now, if anyone could check these other languages and if they could confirm that this is like this as well, please do so. But in the German translation, you see this being said. And once again, just because this was only caught on the German translation does not mean that it's not happening on every single translation. This company is obviously, they love to cut corners. They love to be as cheap as possible. They love to raise prices and gouge you out of money as best as they possibly can without you becoming aware of it. But one big aspect to all of this is the fact that Crunchyroll using AI translations, there's going to be a lot of mixed reception to this. For one, obviously in the last few years, there's been a heavy debate about localization, localizers in general, and just how they put political messages or just different themes or trying to push an agenda within an English dub or English sub or different languages. It's definitely been a thing that has been a heavily debated topic in the anime and manga community as of late in the last few years. However, because of that, a lot of people have...
It's overdubbed because they're going to AI it up. Okay. Sub or dub argument for me is over dub because they're gonna AI it up. If they can make like the voices sound like the original, I would be fucking down. I would be down like the original track because it literally I want to like stick like an ice pick in my ear when I hear like English dubs. No offense, English voice actors, but the only time I use English dubs is for my daughter, so she's not bored out of her fucking mind when I want to watch something, and I think she might sit through it without getting into everything.
I've definitely wanted to see AI take over. Machine translations, AI translations, just replace these localizers. And I've talked about this on both sides of the fence when I made multiple videos on this subject. As I've said, AI is the future. Like, regardless if you hate it or not,
should have got better.
It's gonna happen. AI will arrive. That's how it is. Every company's using AI. You might hate it, but they're gonna keep using it. It's cheap. And
the vid explains why English is bad. It has to do with sounding real. Yeah, but Goblin Slayer, Farron, and Overlord, etc. are done so well. Of course, Naruto. I think Farron's okay.
And why?
I mean, like, I don't know. I'll watch that video here next.
Why wouldn't they? If they can save money and people are still going to be supporting these said companies. And I'll get into that in a moment. But the point is that regardless, there's going to be people that are going to be upset with this. And I'm in the middle. I'm down the middle on this for one main reason. For one, I don't like a lot of localizers. I've strictly been very blunt and open about this for a while. I don't like people throwing an agenda and changing translations to fit a narrative. I don't like that. And I have been very vocal and outspoken about that. And I think people like that are trying to use anime or manga as a vessel to have some form of political agenda doesn't need to be in the industry. Just straight up. I'm gonna say it. However,
we don't like our culture here right now. the culture that you're trying to shove down our throats. That's why we're watching anime.
However, I do think that there is legitimately some very good translators. I think that there is people legitimately that have a lot of passion for anime and manga and want to do the world a favor and translate this, not just because they want to make money, but because they actually have passion for the said thing they're working on. And I know there's translators out there that do it. And it makes me feel sad that there's definitely going to be translators that legitimately have the right intentions going to be losing their jobs thanks to what Crunchyroll is currently doing. It's very disrespectful to those people, but
they should have done better. They should have done better. I don't know. Maybe they would have lost it either way. But here's the thing. If they weren't like putting that, if they weren't adding all that crap in there, that localizer BS bullshit, just adding like that retarded shit, the community, the anime community would be like fully backing them. Yeah. The anime community would be fully backing the localizers if they weren't dog shit.
at the same time, you have localizers that are also going to be potentially, Crunchyroll does this, forgive me, but you have localizers that are going to be losing their job as well. So like I said, it's down the middle situation for me. Now, with all that being said, the curious question I have...
They knew the anime community hated them. And they like laughed in our faces when we talked about it. It's completely, and now we get to laugh in their face when they lose their jobs because we don't give a fuck about them. They didn't listen to community and they're just, I forget, like this one lady was just like super obnoxious. And like, yeah, she said something to like one of her, like, basically like, you know, customers was like driving him, like dragging him through the mud just because of it. He spoke of a concern about the localization, and she made it about like a Me Too movement or whatever the fuck. And then the whole room erupted in cheers. And it's like, these motherfuckers that are mostly like coming to your fucking panel, like they're like a super minority of the anime group. They're definitely a minority of the anime group, and you're being lied to.
Is if this would have been caught, if Crunchyroll didn't forget to remove ChatGPT for these translations. Like for instance, if this episode would have been translated, subtitle, typeset, and everything, and released without that mistake, I wonder how many people would have caught it. Now, to be fair, now that people have caught it, people are now putting a lot of scrutiny onto the translations. They're looking into the translations, wondering, okay, is this translation AI? Is this not? There's a lot of things that come up to the surface. So now Crunchyroll has a bullseye on them. They have people looking at their translations and like, okay, so this is the reason why they're messing up. This is the reason why there's no quality control, is because they're using AI. And this has definitely been a theory within the community for a while. Control. There's a lot of people that theorize that maybe AI...
You need to have someone proofread this shit. Right? Maybe they normally do, but just missed it. Anyways.
It was being used for ReZero to some degree, and it seems like it's looking kind of real. Yeah, it's seeming actually like those theories or conspiracy theories actually might be holding up. Because this doesn't just happen. I want to reiterate, if they got caught for this, for subtitling on this anime, for German subtitles, okay? They're doing this for other subtitles. They are. Just they haven't got caught yet. That's the big thing. And obviously now that
did he look over to the right because he's looking at the time?
They got caught, Crunchyroll will try to cover their tracks. They will try to be a little bit more careful. However, once again, this is the same company that will leave series without...
Okay, so would it have German to begin with? Like, maybe ChatGPT allows them to have German. I don't know.
Proper translations for literally weeks or sometimes never fix them. So who knows, maybe this will permanently stay here for the rest of the days for this anime. And I want to reiterate this. If I was the company that worked on this anime and I found out Crunchyroll did this, I would be pissed.
You
Actually
would?
pissed. Because there's just zero quality control, and this showcases that. Because regardless if you are happy for AI translations or not, the fact that there is a chat GBT said here, that's it. That's a mess up. Because once again, this is a continuous thing.
I think we got the idea. He's rambling. What? Stop making English dubs. Leading good voice acting is why English dubs suck. 11 minutes long.
How's it going, everybody? I'm Gary. I'm a voice actor, I'm a gamer, and I'm a PhD in AI speech stuff. The AI part isn't particularly relevant, but the speech part is, because today I'm going to be talking about why English dubs are...
Hello, Gary. Thank you for allowing me to watch this, hopefully. And if you see you'll probably see it. So, hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well.
always seem to fall short of the quality of the Japanese version when it comes to things like anime and Japanese video games. And while it is true that things like cultural differences and synchronization issues sometimes play a factor, I'm going to be talking about a major contributor that the general public doesn't have access to: the culture of the LA voiceover industry. So to
Wait a second, the culture of the LA... I was kind of spacing out there.
start, I'm actually going to show you guys two different American cartoons. This is a SpongeBob episode from 2002.
What am I supposed to do all day while you're at school?
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back.
And this is a rock, paper, scissors episode from 2024.
But that doesn't make me a failure. Nobody does their resolutions.
Oh, really? Why don't we check my documentary footage?
These two cartoons are incredibly easy to compare. They're both featured on Nickelodeon, they both feature anthropomorphic inanimate objects, and they both target approximately the same demographic. In particular, I also chose a scene where the characters are just having a normal conversation. Now, maybe some of you have already picked up on a style difference of the voices of the two different cartoons, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Let me spell it out in simple terms. It's the fact that Rock, Paper, and Scissors could probably pass as normal people.
Is this right?
Looks okay to me.
Okay, I think I figured that too. Like, they didn't have like an animated voice.
You seem very calm about this.
Meanwhile, SpongeBob and Patrick are clearly not people.
One curl and Johnny!
Hello! Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Or at the very least, if they were people, they'd be a bunch of weirdos. If you listen to 100 voices in a row, you'd still probably be able to pick out SpongeBob and Patrick among them. I mean, nobody talks like this!
And nobody talks like this.
But it'd be
Patrick's like my favorite character. Is he giving me like the disapproval look? Like, he's disapproving me, like, doing a Patrick here. Yes! Damn it. Sorry, Gary.
probably more difficult to pick out rock, paper, or scissors because they just sound like any other person. This is a trend that the video game and animation industries have been veering towards for the past 20 to 30 years. To use acting vocabulary, more and more, the industry is starting to prefer performances that are more grounded. Now,
his XLR isn't plugged in! I wonder if that has like a USB plug-in too or something.
personally hate the word grounded because it functionally doesn't mean anything. I already made a video about how these descriptive words don't really help the industry at all. But when you see grounded as an acting direction,
you can use like all types of different like plugins. So this microphone is probably expensive as fuck. These Sures are fucking expensive.
Supposed to mean realistic or believable. And there's a reason why these performances are getting more popular, but it's not always for the right reason, because usually it has to do with arrogance and ego. Let's take a quick look at on-camera acting. Among actors, the most respected and praised performances often come from realistic and emotionally nuanced characters. Characters that show emotion in subtle ways rather than being over the top. This is because it's widely accepted that realistic performances are some of the most difficult difficult performances to pull off. It's not hard to show that you're angry by yelling and punching people, but it's a little bit more difficult to show anger when you're not moving around very much. Of course, one advantage that on-camera actors have is that you can actually see their faces and bodies. As a result, the grounded performance is even more difficult.
Live 2D is the way to go. That's how they're gonna do anime now. Be like, yeah. It'll be Saba.
For voice actors. And over time, the number of realistic and grounded performances that a voice actor has produced has almost become like a metric of how good that voice actor is, which to an extent makes sense because
okay,
if you're
the guy
good,
that does
you should be
Bender,
able to-
the Bender, oh my gosh, fucking grade A, top shelf voice actor. Holy shit.
do the difficult thing well, right? But because voice actors grade other voice actors on these types of performances, the grounded performance has almost become an obsession. These kinds of realistic performances have become a way to just show off your acting chops. And as the voiceover industry grew more and more competitive over the years, actors and directors stopped seeing their jobs as a production for the audience's enjoyment and started seeing their jobs more as a way to market for their next.
Yeah, the Bender guy, like, he sounds like nothing like, he sounds nothing like he does in real life. Yeah. I forget what other voices he does. Hank Azaria. Who does Homer and Fry? No, Fry's like, Fry is a different actor. Fry is like, his voice is like his actual voice. He does. But it's also the guy that does like the captain, right? I'm English, second language at GG.
Job. Essentially, they started to cater to what their fellow actors wanted to hear and less to what the audience wanted to hear, because it was an effective way to show off how good you are as an actor. But this was true even when the show didn't call for it. And as far as unrealistic stories go, some of the most disorienting mismatches in vocal style come from things like battle cries and screams. For instance, take the game Fire Emblem Three Houses. Every character in the game has a battle cry, and the character Ferdinand von Aegir uses his own name. He shouts, "I am Ferdinand von Aegir," in order to announce that he's arrived to the battlefield. In the Japanese version, he sounds like this. And in the English version, he sounds like this.
I am Ferdinand von Aegir.
Bit of a
Fuck. Where is my ice pick? I need to get like an ice pick and put it through my fucking ears right now.
The difference, huh? The Japanese version sounds like a legitimate battle cry. He's letting his enemy know the name of the man who's about to kill him. The English version sounds like a greeting. Nice to meet you. I'm Ferdinand. And I have to agree that the English version does sound more grounded and realistic. It sounds like something someone might say on an everyday basis. But in this game, you're not.
Yeah, but not like. It's just a generic greeting. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Not grounded. You're at war. Another example is in My Hero Academia, season 3,
So it's the
episode
grounded?
4. A young superhero.
I guess I would say grounded would be like in the situation. Oh my gosh.
Named Deku is fighting a supervillain named Muscular. And when Deku releases his final attack, he screams, "Smash!" The English version sounds like this. And the Japanese version sounds like this. You'll notice that the Japanese version sounds a lot more stressed and intense. These are actually two different types of screams that I'm just going to demonstrate for you guys real quick. The English version is just a voice scream.
It's like he's pushing on the fucking chest of that dude, like trying to smash through
Here's a
him.
quick demonstration. The Japanese version is a much more intense scream, and it requires the use of the ventricular folds and other aspects of the throat other than
Science.
just the vocal cords. This one does require more effort and sometimes more training as well. Here's a demonstration.
Yeah, English. Nah, I like this.
So just from my own demonstration, you can see that a person is capable of both types of screams. It's more of a matter of style and choice as to which scream you use. And
Make
while
it like
the English version scream is
Don't English size the Japanese anime. Don't English size it. Don't.
more realistic. At least I can certainly see a young boy screaming like this in a playground fight. This character, Deku, isn't in a schoolyard fight. He's fighting a guy who's about to murder him. If
Holy
you ask
shit,
me,
look at
the
that
Japanese
dude's eye.
version, which is not as realistic, is more fitting for the situation. And these types of stylistic mismatches have become a major problem for the anime and video game voiceover industry. Because while the voice actors might be able to give realistic performances, very few people watch anime for realism. More often, they watch it for entertainment and excitement. And sometimes the voice actors even claim that the audience will eventually.
Here's the thing. Realism? I don't know, man. They're getting their definitions all fuckered up. Because, like, for me, if it's like for realism, like the realism is in the anime, right? Not the realism like this is how I really sound here. Yeah. I think definitions on shit are getting all messed up. They're getting people fucked in the head.
Eventually learn to appreciate their nuanced and grounded performances. But that's not going to happen.
Grounded
and that's
in
not
where
my
I'm
opinion.
sitting.
It's science. So there's an academic field that studies the perception of emotion in human speech. It's actually a field I'm intimately familiar with.
It sounds
and
like
it's
he's
been researched
sitting
to hell and back.
in a
There
booth.
are a million different studies that cover a bunch of different languages, speaking styles, and listening conditions. But the conclusions are always summarized in the exact same way. Here are the results of just about every single study.
I cannot believe there are studies on this shit. There's fucking published studies that went into a journal on this. But maybe it supports what he says, right? But I don't know. But still, I just can't believe there's like people like get their fucking PhD in this bullshit.
In this field. When you listen to a speaker, sometimes you recognize their emotions correctly, and sometimes you
Wait a
don't.
second.
But it turns out listen to a speaker, sometimes you recognize
Oh yeah.
their emotions correctly, and sometimes you don't. But it turns out you're less likely to recognize the emotion if you're not familiar with the speaker. I know, crazy, right? Yeah, it's a pretty obvious result, but you know the scientists
I
love
was
their proof.
distracted.
And this is yet another problem when it comes to the voiceover industry. Because when it comes to animation and video games, the LA voiceover industry is a very small and tight-knit group, perhaps intentionally. Almost every
Oh, my music stopped. Is my music still playing? Like here, hold on a second. Oh,
LA voiceover industry is a very small and tight-knit group, perhaps intentionally. Almost everyone is familiar with LA culture, the voiceover culture, and they know each other very well. It's not strange to see one studio cast the same actor over and over.
Alex Lee, Smato days. Excuse me, I just did a cure show.
And over again. In fact, even Gravy for the Brain, one of the largest voiceover.
Wait, is it gravy for the brain? What the fuck? I don't know, man. Maybe that's like a too big of a company name.
For coaching resources calls the voiceover industry a clique. So all the voice directors know voice actors like Lucian Dodge, Alex Lee, and Koi Dao, and they know how they express the grounded nuances of their emotions. But do you know who doesn't know how they express their emotions? Literally everyone else in the country. And if it's an international dub, literally everyone else in the world. So the LA voice actors will hear these performances and hear how amazing they are. But some teenager from Memphis, Tennessee will hear the performance and hear something emotionless. Because while the director has probably spent years with these actors,
So it's a big circle jerk where they're just like, just wanking each other off, being like, oh, yeah, you're doing great, man. Oh, thank you for the praise.
audience only spends 22 minutes per episode, and each individual character is probably talking for less than a quarter of that time. And according to science, if you're not very familiar with these actors, you're not going to identify their nuanced emotions. And why would you be familiar with them? You're not here to be friends with the actors, you're here to watch a superhero show. And so, once again, the industry creates a performance for other members of the industry instead of the audience. It's a shame, really, because even for realistic anime, the Japanese voiceover industry seems to understand so much better what
Bro just got slapped in the back of the head.
The audience wants. For instance, let's take a look at the figure skating drama.
Ooh, what's this? This seems fun. I think I watched like Yuri on Ice. I didn't finish it though. That was like pretty fucking good.
Medalist.
Even though it's like, yeah, JoJo English VAs are awesome.
When Coach Tsukasa expresses his excitement for coaching a new student, the English version sounds like this.
Let me be your skating coach, I'm begging!
And the Japanese version sounds like this. And for the most part, the English version sounds pretty realistic. It's a bit intense, but you might hear that tone at your local sports center. If you heard the Japanese version in real life, you'd probably think the dude was a little bit over the top and you'd probably try to leave the area. But it turns out that's the point, because the Japanese actors are trying to portray an extreme emotion, while the English actors are trying to be realistic. And the end result is an English dub that has a glaring stylistic
We should start like a, actually, I think people were trying to do this, like doing like redoing the English dubs and shit, but then like got in big trouble.
Match and is often boring. And this is simply because the industry spends more time catering to themselves than to the audience. This is also why so many anime voices in the English dubs sound the same, because if every single voice sounds exactly the same, the audience never needs to learn any other voices. And that makes it...
Well, a lot of voice actors, they sound the same too, like, especially like the old man voice actor. There's always this like Japanese voice actor that like plays like the old man, and like he never changes his voice or anything. He's like the guy that the old man Oni, and in like the slime, reincarnated slime, whatever the fuck it's called. He's like in several anime.
Makes it easier to create the desired grounded performances instead of what the audience is actually there for, the craziness of anime. And I'm going to be perfectly honest, I don't know what the solution is from here. The voiceover industry, and all of the arts for that matter, has been built on a tower of self-aggrandizement.
The solution is to fucking burn it all to the ground. It's actually like, the solution will be well, like, yeah, the solution would be to hire a company that will actually like fucking, you know, do like a good job with the dubs instead of like whatever this like circle jerk is going on.
People pleasing for so long, it's hard to make any reasonable correction or change. But I do know the first step to fixing this is to get back to a point where we prioritize the audience over the industry itself. Because
yeah, that's also a solution. That'll be like the base solution. That's to save their company. But they need to have more than whatever's going on there. There needs to be more competition.
After all, a voiceover industry that doesn't cater to its audience really isn't much of an industry at all. So yeah, that's all I really have to say.
Yeah, they just hate
if you want to check out a game I'm in, check out The Precinct. It's a GTA-style cops
Check out the precinct, everybody. Good stuff. Oh, wait a second. Was this just a few days ago? Yeah. Yeah. Trying to while I see the perspective, I find this hard to agree with since I love the dubs of so many shows. This seems more like a critique of the industry and not the product. Let's see what he says here. Yes, that's exactly. This is the problem with the industry as a whole, not the individual concept of English dubs. There are plenty of great dubs. The problem isn't the quality of each individual dub, but an industry that is neglecting. Yeah. Yeah, not listening to your customers is not listening to your customers is a bad idea. For real, for real. Like, it's just like, it's just begging for some other company to actually just to step in and take them away. Yeah. There we go. Let's see what this guy has. Oh. 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 Gary. He's right. The robots have won. Guy has already won, but the VA industry is blind. Yep, yep, yep. Check out Gary. Check out Gary. Young. He's a voice actor, and he has a YouTube channel. Check him out. Oh, yeah. Did I subscribe? I'll go ahead and subscribe. Maybe I'll add some more stuff later on. This year's anime awards are done, and Farron did not win shit. I don't know. I think they might have. They had Solo Leveling win it all. Solo Leveling swept. They swept everything. Oh, there's like here, I had this on. I had this on here. What the fuck is the notes? What the fuck? Okay, I gotta. It's actually I know who sent it. Okay, so how to search an X account for accounts, messages, or posts. All right. X, formerly known as Twitter. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Oh, it's not playing. Play it. Okay. From username. Okay. I know who fucking posted it. But he posts like a ton all the time. Hotter take, cheating is bad. Hot take, cheating to get a job is not as bad as cheating the employer by not doing any work. Oh, what? Anyways. His name is shit. No, I say. He has. Okay, who do I follow? Meow. He has like the Garfield face. Garfield and a clown. I think I follow you. Oh, sweet. I was wanting to show like how dubs are. It's a joke. But YouTube will like, they'll get on my case. I wonder if I can run it backwards or something. Where's he at? I forget his name. Oh my gosh, I have to go through 200 of these things. I don't think I missed him. He usually posts. Let me see if I... I followed him when he only had like 10,000 followers. There he is. So rock solid. Okay, so let's go to this thing. Wait a second. Oh, I can search here. Aha! Dubs. Dub anime sucks. Dub. There it is. Okay. So I will have to delete this part of my YouTube. I'm very sorry. You can check it out here. Unless I like somehow do like a reverse. Maybe I can reverse it or something. Okay, so windowed mode. Okay, let me do like this. Where is it at? Transform. There it is. Okay, so flip horizontal. There we go. All right. Let's watch this.
Hello, everyone!
Homelander! I just want to say it's a huge honor to be here with you.
I can't stay long, but I heard that you are some of my biggest fans supporting me when others turn their backs. I just wanted to personally say thank you for your devotion and your sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
Well, really, it's you who give so much to...
You people are more than just fans. You're martyrs to the greatest cause on Earth. Open it. I want you to take these bats
English dub every time besides Dragon Ball.
and beat these gentlemen to death.
You're funny.
Oh, it's like one of your tests. You want us to say no. No, Deep. This is not a test. I want you to beat these gentlemen to death. Now.
Beat him.
Hello!
You're kidding me. Thanks for the clips. All right, have a good one. I'm gonna flippies. What was that? This is like Rock Solid. He posted this back in October. This is that one show. I can't believe Nyata Cat would do this to us. What'd I do? English dubs every time besides Dragon Ball. Bro, you gotta watch the English dub. It's so good. English dub every time. Homelander, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, flip horizontal. There we go. Is it called Homelander? The Boys. Thank you, thank you. Replay it. You want me to replay it? Wait a second. Blending mode. Let me flip it again. Okay, so we're playing it again. And yeah. Let's see if backwards will work.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Homelander! I just want to say it's a huge honor to be here with
Now,
you.
I can't stay long, but I heard that you are some of my biggest fans supporting me when others turn their backs. I just wanted to personally say thank you.
Thank
for
you.
Your devotion
You're welcome.
and your sacrifice.
The sacrifice.
Well, really, it's you who give so much to...
You people are more than just fans. You martyrs. To the greatest cause on
That
earth.
looks like
Open it.
Falcon.
I want you to take these bats and beat these gentlemen to death.
You're funny.
Oh, it's like one of your tests. You want us to say no.
No, Deep. This is not a test.
What?
I want you to beat these gentlemen to death. Now.
We all thought we were the boy. You know what's not cool, Bobby? Hating every dubbed anime when you don't even speak Japanese. You should always watch the movie shows and anime with original voice and subtitles if you want to ensure the ideal experience. Bro, you're so right. Nyata cat is not. Wait a second. Nyata cat. Oh, I should like. There we go. I never liked it. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Here we go. Yeah. Transform. There we go. Home. Did he fall onto his knees and bends over after hearing the verdict? Holy shit! Is this real? That's a crackhead, dude. Glow up. I'm a glowy.
Playing World of Warcraft. Whenever she asks to take her to some beautiful places, I just show her around in game. They got all the sightseeing you'll ever need. All the rides you can ever imagined. Without ever to leave the house.
Reba? It's supposed to be Kathy Griffin. Kathy Griffin. Oh, Lemon Stealing Horrors. She looks like a meth head. Am I wrong? Holy shit. Some paparazzi did this. Obake Pam, I gaslit myself into liking cucumber. I kept buying it and eating it, though I hated it, and now I'm craving cucumber literally 24/7. Cucumber kind of sucks. It can go on a few things. Oh my gosh. So like, I was on the trampoline the other day. I was like, I'm gonna do a belly flop on this. Don't do a belly flop on the trampoline. I freaking like, oh my gosh. Fucking A. All right. Let's hide these. So like, this is a trampoline. Ooh, that started off so good, but ended so bad. This is a trampoline. I was like belly flop, but then like my body like ended up going like this, right? And then like next frame. Wait a second. And then like on the trampoline part, it was like head like this, and then like And I heard like the fucking crunch. Holy shit. It hurt, but it also felt really good. Like I haven't had like my back popped in like years. I thought I was gonna break my neck. I was like, I just like I just laid there on the trampoline for like 2 minutes. Maybe 3 or 4. I was just like, I could move, right? But I was just like laying there, I was just like assessing the situation, like, don't ever do this fucking again. Yeah, it fucking hurt. And I knew coming down, I was like, coming down on it, I was like, this is a bad angle, this is a bad angle. Belly flop onto the trampoline. Yeah. I was not sore the next day or anything, so that was good. That was good.
There you go. Sit, breathe.
Can't even sleep for oh gosh. Can you imagine like going in walking and leaving not walking?
How's that, man?
Trampolines. Normalize these videos or something, man. Holy shit. Ooh.
Keep breathing.
No, these are like normals. It just hurts like a bitch. Spinal decompression. Hell yeah. Racism in the great outdoors. Oregon's natural spaces feel off limits to black people. Holy shit. We got a third interstellar. Oh fuck. What the fuck? It was just some jerk. All right, so I wasn't gonna write anything. Okay, there's like dog chiropractics. Let's see if I can find one of those. I gotta be careful. Dog neck pop. There we go. Oh my god. Is it? Oh, got doggy style. All right. Dog chiropractor. Oh yeah, baby.
Okay.
I want to see it. Let me bring it back. I can make this bigger. There's like a compilation of this.
Okay.
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut?
Alles gut. Watch again. Ooh.
Okay.
Ihr Blick.
Okay. I can't scroll on here. Oh my gosh, here's one.
Watch as this man ends this dog years of back.
How does he know there's a back pain and all that shit? Anyways, you gotta see this. Look how big this dog is.
Watch as this man ends this dog years of back pain. Watch to the end, the dog was fully healed.
That dog's just like loving it. Ooh. 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 Ah.
Watch as this man ends.
That dog fucking loves it, dude. There's like a compilation of all these things. I gotta be. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one's long. All right. Let me get to this one here. Dog loves it. Let's see what this is. Dogs now have. There we go. What the fuck? Do it. Get the muzzle on that motherfucker. Look at him. Whack him. Whack him with your tail. Fart in his face. That dude in the background, look at this guy. He's, like... He's in the cuck chair for this one. Oh, yeah, baby. Did he even do anything? Hold on a second. He didn't even fucking do anything. This is the best way to pop it back. Oh yeah, baby. End it too soon. Wasn't paying attention. He loves it. Or she. He or she. I didn't look at the balls. Honestly. Gotta be careful. This could be a... $53 seconds. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on a second. Guess which animal? Guess which animal? You guys will never guess. You'll never fucking guess. Zebra? Oh, man. Any other guesses? Horse? Y'all are like kind of like in the ballpark. Giraffe! Is that it? Dude, we didn't even hear it. All I hear is the fucking fan in the background. What the fuck? I am totally...
Try something. Okay, so let me do this. I'm just gonna pull his.
Fucking best eyes out of all the animal kingdom.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull his head down.
Guys. Animal chiropractic.
So this, I went to Africa and was working on giraffes.
You pass? What? Going to chiropractics? I can't hear the pops. Yeah, the flood road. Oh yeah, dude. Shit. What's his fucking name? Okay, here's a good one. It seems like the dogs get all the fucking love. Fucking dogs. This is animal chiropractics. That's a dog. That's a human. It's a pillow.
Like when we had Twirty, he would just come and put his head down, like asking for it. It was amazing.
He's asking for it. They're just asking for it. Do random things. Oh yeah. I think he's like hired by the state or whatever. Okay. They need to put like a good, like at least fake it. Like put a fucking like, put like, oh my gosh, here we go. Let's pause on this. Like put a sound effect or something like that on it. Like fake it or something. What is that background? Those are my they're my steel, they're my band. They play the steel drums.
And I'm crazy enough to pretty much work on any animal.
The dodo. Oh.
I've worked on dogs and cats and skunks, foxes.
Don't spray me.
Llamas, donkeys, zebras, a bunch of different kinds of snakes.
Listen.
And quadrumundis. The only animal I haven't worked on was a porcupine, and that was because my arm was getting poked with needles, and I was thinking, if I make one wrong move, I'm getting a needle through the arm.
Pansy.
And so I backed out of that one.
Pansy.
gracefully.
You're not a real man.
When I first saw Eddie, I wasn't really sure if we were going to be able to help him.
You
He had no use of his back legs.
Yeah.
Within the first visit or two, you could see that the lights were turning back on, that somebody was home again. He went from not being able to use his legs to pulling him up underneath him a little bit. He had this little waggle to him. And then we got to the point where he was running.
I gotta send this to Henya.
I'm so excited that what I do can completely change his entire world. There is no placebo effect when it comes to animals. I can take an animal and I can work on it, and I can show that he can walk better.
Is that true though? Is that true? Is that true? There's no placebo account? That's, for me, it sounds like Snake Will.
I can see the difference.
I really love my job.
I love being able to help animals live their best lives. What I don't like about my job is that I find all this stuff.
Ultra, he's a cat. Where's the thing?
I'm sorry. Oh man, I know.
Oh.
Yeah, that was my head.
Oh.
When I work on them, they might be in a little bit of pain, but it's necessary to get the adjustment done so that they can immediately feel the relief of that.
Farting gives great relief.
And you still break.
Oh my gosh, so excited. The biggest struggle with working on a wide variety of animals like I do is that every anatomy is different. Like a horse doesn't have fingers.
Paul Bunyan
it has
beard.
One finger that has a hoof on the end of it. A snake is one giant spine, so animal chiropractic is great for snakes.
Yeah. How do you
Working on
know?
rodents can be fun. They are really small, cute,
What the
fluffy
fuck?
animals, but my fingers can't get on their little bitty spine.
What the fuck? Chiropractic for a gerbil? Like, what the? Wait a second. That's a gerbil, right?
Animal chiropractic is great for snakes.
Don't they like die like in a year or something?
Working on rodents can be fun. They are really small, cute, fluffy animals, but my fingers can't get on their little...
Hamster, wouldn't that like fucking kill it? Don't they die from like anything? Don't they die from anything?
bitty spine. And so sometimes I have to use the back end of an eraser whenever I need to work on an exotic animal. I go over and I pick up...
So use the sharp point of the fucking... of the pencil. That'll help the guinea pig. That'll help it out. He's like,
their spines at the Museum of Osteology and get a better idea of what it visually looks like and what angle those joints...
I'm a fish chiropractor.
...they're sitting at. Chiropractic care can also be done for these other wild animals. We were reached out by a veterinarian in South Africa, said, hey, we don't have animal chiropractic.
They're
can you
different.
please come and can you teach? Everything that we worked on in Africa was
chiropractic.
running free. They were darted.
Have you worked on a Pokemon backwards
for medical reasons, and then I got to go in and actually assess their spine. I also got to teach the lead vet there and teach the students
line to
there.
line. Oh, dude, they got that lion. He is all fucking tranked up. He's in a K-hole.
What I do and actually let them have hands-on experience.
Did you see his tongue hanging out?
So then I push it back into its normal range of motion.
I work in a lot of exotic animals, and they react just the same as other animals whenever they get adjusted. Chiropractic can make a difference not only in humans' lives, but also in animals' lives. I was like, why can't I provide care for the entire family? I can help the mom and the dad and the baby and the grandma. I should also be able to help their family.
I just like seeing dogs like
to
fucking
be able to
flip
help
out.
them and give them a quality of life that maybe they've never seen before.
Eleanor. Yes.
I hope you caught that on film. Oh my
That's good. Oh, wait a second. I gotta hide this because this is X. Yeah, that's my band. Trying to. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Guess the animal. Not all heroes wear shades. Croc. Mountain lion. It's labeled dog, but I see a fucking cat there. I don't know, like, does this person like beaver? I had a friend that used to say beaver all the time. Like in 8th grade, he'd be like, beaver. Nice beaver. Thanks, I just got it stuffed. It's a tum-tum. Dude, I can hardly hear the crack. We'll go back. Let's listen to this dog's back crack. Aww. We've seen this one already. Let's go, boy. Ooh. I like was it Rottweiler?
That's good.
Ooh. I knew somebody with a Rottweiler and they named the dog Samson. Samson.
Yeah.
Poodles.
Alles gut. Hat wie?
Ooh. I think that dog loves it. What? What the fuck? Where's the cat part? Wouldn't that mean they're sleeping here? Probably. Or maybe they... I don't know. I was going to say something. There's not like too much of these. They kind of just... Here we go. Check out this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a video. Wait a second. I gotta like make sure this is okay. All right. Okay. Guess what it is. It didn't show on the chimpanzee or anything with claws. They survive it. They'll survive anything. They might break a bone though. They never reach terminal velocity, but they could break a bone falling. All right, since no one's guessing, You wouldn't get it anyway, no matter what. Furries! You said bull? Oh. All right, I think I hit the end of the line on this shit. It's all repeating. This one, yeah. Our overlords are furries.
She feels really good.
Yeah. Dog chiropractor. Hell yeah. Goodness gracious, 117. I didn't get a lot of programming done. Oh, I got these nuts. Cat chiropractor. What if the cat was a chiropractor? I got these nuts right here on screen. I was able to print that. That's where I Why did I look like I was expecting something? Oh, I don't know. I couldn't tell. Do you have a mirror? I got a mirror like right next to my monitor. I check my reaction. Why did the chicken cross the street to get to the other side? Yeah. All right, test print. We got that. Okay. Ooh. Chicken D's, chickabees. Already saying it. Meh. What is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this shit? Matrix path. Okay, we're done with this. I already uploaded it. Okay, so let's open up a new folder. Invade the screen with nuts. Go package. Chat scan. Open. Okay. I think everything's... Let me do a git push. All right. Let's do a mod. What is it? Go mod. Something. Tidy. Did it do anything? Okay, it didn't change anything. Money. Oh. I need to update my emotes. I need to update them. I could do it too. I need like a good game. Or good going. All right, so I think we're good on this one. Message loader. Okay. package. Wait a second. Shit. Go get github.com/ultra Derek/chat scan. There we go. Wait a second. What's wrong with this? Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. If it's privated, how do I... Can I do a go get with a privated account? With a privated... privated package. Yes, you can get good on a private package, but you need to configure your environmental to handle the authenticate. What? X. Huh. Interesting. Anywho, thanks for working. Thank you. Wait. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the gifted subs. Thank you. I didn't see that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say so. Ayo. This seems like a lot of fucking work. Where do I do this? Go get. Set the go private environmental variable. Where do I set it? Huh. Okay, what's this? You have one thing to configure. Example, the basic GitHub, but this shouldn't change the process. Oh. Okay. What is that? It's... Those are eyes. It's a Furby. Yeah. That's a Furby, yo. Why look at it? I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. You should ask Mr. Potato Head then, if it's not a Furby. Who does these? Ask YouTube. Ask YouTube. Go get, like, I don't understand this. Cat get config. What is this? This makes no sense. I thought this already kind of worked with it. All right, let's look at this folder. Not that folder. Home. A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh. How old is this? 10 years ago? I don't get this. Go get. You have an emote off? I don't like this. Stands for Go. Said the doc that we should use Go private, environment available. Like, oh. So how do we know if it's? You have to give a password or something like that. Okay. Go private. Private. Go private equals github.com Ultra Derek. I already did that. And then go get. All right. Go get. What is this one? Holy shit. Does it ask for my password? That's the real question. We emotes are fun. Derek the programmer. Bob the builder. Go get github.com /ultra Derek /chat scan. Hell yeah. Okay, wait a second. Oh, shit. What does this say here? Oh, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Oh. Interesting. Can I change? Oh, fuck. Go mod edit. What? Go mod. Let me look at the mod. Okay. Change the module name. That's interesting. That is super fucking interesting. Whoa. Okay, change the name in module. Go. If you need to change your Go module's name and upgrade to a new major, then the rename factor. Place. What the fuck is this? Yeah. Go land ID. What the fuck? Can I just like go in there and do it? I think that was retarded. Fine. What the fuck? You really need to. I think her and I really need. Yeah, I want to rename it. I guess I could just keep it like that. Interesting. I didn't realize I can just do that. Huh. I guess I'll just call it chat scan. I'm too lazy. Forever broken. Added appreciate message in the go.mod. This. How not to? If you want to rename a private module, renaming the is quite straightforward. But if your module is public and using hundreds of thousands of client projects, this is a case correct you. Simply renaming the module will break tons of imports. So you need a plan. Do you really need to rename the module and step? Think hard. It's private. So why would you not rely on GitHub's redirect service? Four steps. One, copy the current repository over to a new path. This would be a fork. Oh my gosh. I'll just keep it in here. We'll just use chat scan. All right. All right. Okay. Import. Chat scan. Import. No required module provides the package. Okay, what if I do this? What if I... Maybe I'll break it while we're at it. Alright. Let's see if we can break it. Go help mod edit. Shit. Go help mod edit. Ooh, what the fuck is this shit? Edit provides a command line interface editing Go mod used for primary by tools or scripts. It reads only Go mod. It does not look up information about the modules involved. By default, edit reads and writes Go mod file to the main module, but a different target file can be specified after editing flags. The editing flags I don't know what this shit is. All right. Let's be prepared to break this. Oh, right there with it. Oh. Okay, let's do this. GitHub.com/ultraderek/chatscan. Save. Problems. Okay. Can I do like a go tidy? Go tidy. Go mod tidy. Did that do anything? No. Okay. Is there a mod for this? Oh, okay. Let me push this out. All right, so trying to change go.mod. Worst comes to worst, I'll just change it back, right? All right, so output terminal. So we'll do it to get push. And I think I just fucking broke this. I'm changing it back. I think I broke this. I'm gonna have to make a new program. I think that'll be the smartest thing to do. I think that's the best thing I need to do. Is yeah. I need to make a new one. So changed it back. Gonna make a new package. Commit. Cancel. I'm gonna update this. And I'm gonna commit it. All right. Let's make a new package. Did someone say package? All right. I don't want to call it chat scanner. Scan chat. This should be called like chat. Chat utils. Chat JSON utils. There we go. I think that'll be it. This is utilities for JSON file for the JSONs given from chat to yeah from chat streams, chat given from stream chats, chat streams given from the chats, the chat in streams. There we go. All right, add readme. There we go. We'll make it private. Private. Okay, create repository. Chat JSON D's nuts. Okay. SSH copy. Now let's go into here. Here actually. Actually, no. Actually, yeah. Go. It's like I'm doing all this work and then I'm gonna fucking forget how it works. Yeah. Open terminal. Git clone. Paste. There we go. What's this sum DB? Okay. Chat JSON utils, yeah. Oh, baby. File, open folder, new window. Open folder. Go to my go. Go to my go. Go to A, B, C. Man, put this in fucking alphabetical order, bitch. There you go. Chat JSON utils. There we go. All right, so we would have like Twitch. We'll have it all in there, right? So let's open this. Let's get the terminal. I guess like go mod init. GitHub.com ultraderek / chat JSON utils. There we go. I think that's how it does, right? There we go. Let's get pushes. Get tidy. No, is it go tidy? Go mod tidy. There we go. All match, no packages. Okay. New file. Go. Chat. What is it? I guess we'll call this like, ooh. Chat, JSON, utils.go. Package. Chat. JSON, utils. And then, I should have just called it chat utils. Oh, well. Save. Save it. Go mod tidy. Did that do anything? So I guess I could just like start grabbing this shit and putting it over. Chat scan. Chat scan does. Yeah. Eventually I'll start moving shit over and changing this and all that. Because this is like a program. Maybe I'll just rewrite the program itself. And there we go. Chat JSON, Twitch. Okay. I just import this. All of it. Copy. So I need to change like this message. Maybe I'll just. Ooh, this is what I'll do. I'll do it the same. Do a folder. TW. Shit. Plus. What is this? What the fuck? Delete this shit. All right. Now. Can I just copy this? What if I just do this? Like, go, package, chat scan. What is it? Chat JSON. Like, copy this and paste it. I can't paste it. Fuck you. Yeah. Copy, go, package, paste. Hell yeah. Okay. There we go. Go mod tidy. Did that work? Import. .com/TW. Wait a second. Good night. Ultra Derek / Can I just do this? TW chat / Yeah. I guess I can't. Can I do this? No. No volume. What? Maybe I shouldn't do it like this. Okay, what if I do this? Okay. I wonder why it worked before. There we go. Okay. Import. Paste. / TW chat. Chat JSON. TW chat. No. Imported and not used. Okay. Funk. Heyo. TW chat dot create feed. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Okay. TW chat. Badge. TW chat dot badge. Return X. Heyo's unused. Yeah, it's unused, bitch. All right. So let's update all these. Meow. There we go. Let's test. We'll add later. Add more stuff later. I'm really bad at this shit. All right. Hey, I'm going to call it here. I think I got a good, kind of setup going. Unfortunately, I got to have, all these separate. Yeah. I guess I'm trying to make it. When I'm done clipping, I'll make it public. Maybe I'm making this more of a headache than I need to. But I would like to have this be independent for other programs I want to make later on. So I definitely want to make this more flexible. That's for sure. That's for sure. Yeah. And before, I would just make these packages and just make a whole huge fucking program under it, and then But I know I want to do certain things with this. Like first of all, I want to be able to like print other stuff. But then like I also want to make a program that kind of matches up. That tries to check, see what's close or not with what the like I'll make subtitles. You can get like a transcript of the subtitles, right? And I like to do like a compare, like, hey, this is like 75% of what the VTuber or whatever the speaker on there says to chat. Yeah. Derek, the gracious programmer. Well, when I stop clipping, which might be like in a few months, and like later on this month, who knows what happens? They might be going after clippers and stuff. So I guess I'll make it public then or something. But I'll be using it for other things though. That's for sure. But I want to be able to do this for chats. I should have made it just like. I wonder if I could like rename this stuff. I don't want to call it chat JSON utils any longer. I guess I'll have to. Oh, I could fork it and rename it. Aha. Interesting. I think I understand what they're saying now. I'd have to like read that one blog. I have ADD, ADHD, and I can't read documentation or shit. Yeah. So I don't know. I think it might be. I'll have to check. But on Friday or Saturday, I might have like a collab. But it'll be on Twitch and it'll be on this other person's thing. Yeah, HDTV. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the chiropractic pet chiropractor. It's like a whisper for pets and shit. I don't know why I just like seeing like a dog in fucking panic or just an animal like, what the fuck did you just do to me? I guess I'm not dead, so it's okay. Pet rescuer. We'll see if YouTube will probably block this. They'll probably block this this stream. So if I'll like reopen it up. I usually have to delete like the parts that they think that are blocked that make it blocked. So that happens. That happens every once in a while. All right, have a good one. Night, night. Night, night. I'm out of here, yo. That's the button. Is that the button? That's the button. Bye-bye. I hit the button. I guess I gotta hit these buttons. All right, bye-bye. You want a fucking elevator? I could do an elevator, okay? I can do an elevator real quick. I came back on. I can do that. I wish I could look at my watch. All right. Oh, wait a second. All right. Bye-bye. That was a shitty elevator. Bye-bye.